I'm from the
Trauma on the beat. It's hated.
I'm from the
Baby. Plus.
I'm from the murder capital, where we murder for capital.
I'm from the murder them. Murder them. He from the. She from the murder them. Murder them. We from the
murder capital,
where we murder for capital.
Murder capital.
Murder them. I'd like to welcome you to my town, better known as Chi-Town. Murder them. Murder them. Where we fear for our lives, so we walk around with guns now.
Nearly 4 dozen people were hurt in shootings between Friday afternoon and last night. One of the people shot an 81-year-old woman in the city's Auburn Gresham neighborhood.
To come here before they come around. I guess I gotta say I kill, just for you to play my shit. I guess I gotta say drill, just for you to bang my shit. Cause whenever I spit what's real, these people hate that shit. And the devil just called my phone like I heard you got a soul, wanna trade your shit? It's no love in my city. And even though I fucks with my city, I understand why niggas get money and then switch up on my city. So all these hoes wanna twerk now. Who the fuck you think you is, Lonnie Pop? Bitches out here getting shots trying to get the same ass Lonnie got. And I don't mess with no car crackers, niggas go broke when the move stop. Thoughts out here sucking dick for Arizona and some flaming heights. Everybody always wanna tell me my generation so messed up, but wait a minute, what about the generation that raised us? I don't care about how you feel, gotta keep it real when I speak. Tashawn ain't the first child to get killed here in these streets. Every time somebody died and everybody wanna preach, but everybody be right back to the same shit next week. I'd like to welcome you to my town, better known as Chi-Town. Where we fear for our lives, so we walk around with guns now.
This is where 9-year-old Tyshawn Lee was murdered on Monday, and that's his mother, Carla, on the ground being comforted by the cops who just told her that her boy is dead.
I was born and raised in the gold. Summertime we moved that snow, and they call it the Windy City cause we all got guns and we quick to blow. When the cops come around we don't know why the fuck they murked that nigga. You ain't gotta come around and ask us shit cause they put the whole beef on Twitter. Niggas acting like crooks for the book, then they going so hand for the gram. R.I.P. my guys that's dead and free my bros locked in that jam. Damn, other side don't like me, but the war stopping not likely. 2 thumbs down for Shaq Rap, 2 middle fingers for Spike Lee. Run up on them with big cannon, man down with your bitch standing. From the low end to the wild hunters, niggas wildin' out, no Nick Cannon. Where they double cupping and they molly pop. Murder rate, everybody watching. Cameras on the poles, all the red lights, they'll never catch nobody's dropping. Cops foul, pull us over, arrest kids while they riding bikes. Now they wanna be like Sosa, don't nobody wanna be like Mike. Go crazy, go dumb here, the shorties got guns here. The president's a resident and Obama don't wanna come here.
I'd like to welcome you to my town, better known as Chi-Town. Where we fear for our lives, so we walk around with guns now.
After midnight, there were 3 additional shootings, 2 of them in the same neighborhood, the South Shore neighborhood. Police were responding to one at 7800 South Shore Drive when they could hear gunfire coming from 2 blocks away.